Assalamu alaikum. Today's lesson is map, land and water. So if we want to hike across water, how can we hike across water? If you're going to walk and explore water to watch the nature, what would you do? Can you walk on liquid water or solid water? How can you walk on liquid water? So let's see for ourselves. There are many types of water. Water can be deep or shallow. It can be also narrow or wide. So let's see for ourselves. This water is shallow. How is it shallow? If the water level is so close to the land level, as you can see in the picture, and as you can see, a person here can walk on water. She can walk on water because her leg is touching the land because the water is very shallow. So if the water is very shallow, you can walk on water. You can hike on water. The next type is narrow. If the width of water, this is the width, how water is narrow or wide. If the water is narrow, you can jump across the two lands next to water. So this is narrow water. Narrow because the place between the two sides of next to the water is so close. So you can just jump between two sides. This is narrow. If it's very far, the two sides are very far, that means that this is a wide surface of water. And if the water is solid, you can just walk on water. It will be very easy. And for landforms, some landforms have very steep slopes, like what you see in this picture. As you can see, this is very steep slopes, so it will be very hard. Go on landforms like a valley, mountain, for example, it has a very steep slopes. But you can go up upside the hill because the hill has gentle slopes, not very steep. We have different types of map. How can we use these different kinds of map? First, let's understand the two types that we have today. So the first type of map, this is the street map. The street map, it has a key. The key explains the symbols that we can see in the map. For example, the I here refers to information. This symbol refers to the elevator. So the symbols shown in the map are explained in the map key to know what these places refer to. Maps have different models. Each model is a copy of some place that is in real life, and one place can have many different models of maps. Maps also has a scale. So a scale is a way to compare the distance between places in the map and the same two places in real life. For example, as you can see in this map, this is a street map. We have the symbols referred to, and these symbols are explained in the map key. And we can measure the scale, as we can see here, 1 centimeter equals 5 meter in real life. So 1 centimeter in this map equals 5 meter in real life. So we can have a ruler that helps us to measure the places in this map and know the distance in real life between these two places. For example, if I'm going to measure the space between the parking to the forest, so let's measure this place. I'm going to put here the ruler starting from the parking lot till the forest. So we start here and we stop here. So the distance is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters in the map. So 5 centimeters. So we have now 5 centimeters and each one is equal to 5 meters. So let's count them. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 4 times, because we have 4 centimeters and each one equals 5 meters, equal 20 meters. So the distance between the parking till the forest here, up here, is 20 meters. The other type of maps is the aerial map. It's a picture of the actual city from above. And you can see all the buildings as you can see, and the parks and everything in the map, but they are very small, not like the places in real life.